Welcome to Ricambi's Compensator linkage bushing replacement video. First we need to use a 10mm wrench and socket to remove the bolt, and it's the same process for the upper and lower one. Remove the nut and the bolt, and then we move the linkage piece out of the way. Remove the little sleeve, and then whatever is left of the old bushings we have to scrape it off both of the sleeve and of course the hole where the new bushings are going to go. Then just take a new bushing, put the sleeve on, the smaller part of the bushing goes toward the inside, and then press the other bushing in from the other side. Just put the linkage piece back on it, get the bolt, put the bolt to the through hole, and you have to play with it a little bit to get it to line up. And once the bolt is through, we just get the nut, get our 10mm, tighten it, and then the replacement is done, and we can do the upper one the same way.